Hey, so Sue, I wanted to ask you how you like the Rev Publishing and Rev Marketing workshop.
So the Rev Marketing, Rev Publishing workshop was really, really well done. For me, I'd already come in with an idea of actually 3 different books and a little bit overwhelmed and whatnot. And it gave me enough insight into how to organize my thinking better so that I was able to take some action on at least one of them and actually put a better framework together. So for me, the way it was laid out, it was very well done. Action plans gave me the opportunity to work as I was working on my own particular thoughts, and I really enjoyed the workshop.
Would you recommend it to people that have some content like you and people that were starting from scratch?
Yes, for people like me that had content, it really helps to organize the thinking. For people starting from scratch, it gives them the ability to understand how to put together a book. It gives them the ability to start to brainstorm their own ideas and get the process moving forward. So I think it's benefits for both.
All right, awesome. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.